you say? Fuck it, well, I'll take that one. Fuck it. These are these. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Heavy Steel and Hot Rods. We're back out here at Ricardo's. Went ahead and picked up the stuff at the shop. That's for those embeds. So today we're gonna be back on the sped building, but I'm gonna come see what's up with these guys over here. See that they got a little excavator and some stuff out here, so see what they're up to right now. Huh? Just pull this scissor lift over here. Mostly's fixing to move the welder and everything over there. Then he's gonna come back for that right now. They're doing a whole bunch of renovations in here. Here with Frank, and he's showing me these. It's gonna be another RTU basically. It's gonna have an angle iron, but it's gonna be going through these bar joists. He's looking for the detail right now. He's gonna send it to me. So basically, on the inside of that bar joist to the inside of this bar joist, and then again, once they clear this side, inside to inside, get it welded out, then they can have somewhere to anchor the rooftop unit. Someone else can come and cut the decking out. But it's marked out here on the ground for us. He's gonna find the details shortly, and I'll have it all good and ready to go. The guys are doing some demo work right here right now. If you can see, demoing all this already for us. That's what should have been demoed last time, but Frank is saying nobody caught it. Nobody caught that there's supposed to be a column right here and a column right here. Sometimes it takes an ironworker to come out here and show them what they need to be doing right, so it's okay. Inspector didn't catch it, superintendent, PM didn't catch it, engineer didn't catch it. Sometimes it takes an ironworker, baby. So another little thing about running these kind of crews and commercial work is I get sent over a set of prints that I bid out, and in all honesty I bid this one out probably like 6-7 months ago, and now we're here and they're popping off some other work talking about RTUs in certain rooms and stuff. So I'm getting with my detailer and my project manager to make sure that we can actually see if they were on the prints, because the prints that I have that are dated, they don't have them on there. So that's gonna have to be a change order or another work request. So we'll see what that's going to be about. Right now I got Mosky getting ready to do all the welding that he didn't finish over there, as for the wind braces and base plates, make sure it's all inspection ready. And then I got the guys over here on Mosky. Joshua's back today, and we got Michael out here as well. They're going to be doing everything, putting in beams and things of that nature, just kind of tidying up. And I'm going to try and get that other welder out here, that rental, because we got to get ready for perimeter angle and decking. Alright, we're gonna do a real quick how-to. Turn on the torch real quick for all you fucking imbeciles that don't know what's going on in this world. This right here, the red one, is your acetylene. We're gonna do a quarter turn just in case you were ever to have a fire. You wanna be able to, a leak in here, it catches fire, you wanna be able to turn it off fast and not fuck yourself up. So do a quarter turn. This green one right here is the oxygen. You go ahead and turn that, maybe a whole turn, half a turn. You wanna leave this open. This one can be left open because this is really just your your regulator. You leave that one all the way open. Turn that one a quarter turn. Once you get the torch on, can you see the flame good?
Yep.
Once you get the torch on, you want to not have so much acetylene. You want to turn down the acetylene regulator right here to where you see black smoke. You want to get it to where that black smoke is right there, where it's really not burning your hand, but that black smoke, colors your hand up, you know what I mean? That's where you want it. Then you're gonna go right here to the regulator, oxygen regulator. Once you see the red flames turn all the way blue and translucent, you see your little arcs right there, little hairs? See them right there? Now you want to turn up your acetylene. see that? I turned it up. Turn up. Keep them turning them up. We're gonna turn up the heat. You can see those little arcs growing. Now we're ready to go. We're gonna be cutting out these studs right here. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these little edges as my pivot point. To put myself right there, I'm gonna put myself on the outside of that anchor. I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Around 5 seconds, the anchor starts to melt. Go ahead and hit your oxygen, your trigger. When you hit your trigger, you're gonna do a slight left to right motion. And push forward. Just like that. All right, let's go ahead and check on Mr. Michael right here, cutting off these little studs, and then we're gonna go check on Moskimo motherfucking Problems over there doing some welding. All right, so this is another misfab from the shop out there at USMF. Unfortunately, I guess somebody read the prints wrong. There was an addendum made, so a change to the contract, to scope of work, and I don't know if it was that they added these or they were taking them off, but inevitably it came down to it where we gotta be the ones to remove them all. The framers were gonna be using a grinder, but that was gonna take all motherfucking rest of our goddamn lives. So got the guys out here with a torch, and they'll be doing some easy work, getting this all done like that, removing these studs. It's off. Oh, fucking numbnuts. The fuck? We got Moskimo Problems over here doing some welding on these knee braces, vertical braces. Coming out really good. Really, really nice welds. Granted, he's having to probably do it in the worst position ever because they already framed all around us. They brought these framers in, fucking came in hot. They didn't give us no time to weld, so he's doing a damn good job. Feeling all right? All right?
Yeah, fucking bugs.
Oh, bugs?
Got a bit in the ear, got a curve of the ear.
I'm telling them it's kind of hard because you ain't got much space to work with.
They got no space.
They got no space. There's only about 1.5 inches maybe right there to work with.
This over here.
And over here even less. But Moski's doing the damn thing.
We'll do what we can.
Yeah, I can do what we can. Killing it. Thank you, Mo. Now, as Moskimo Problems does all the rest of the remaining welding, and I have Mike over here cutting off these little change orders, all these little studs. Lo and Mo and Joshua are doing the rest of the bolting up. There was a couple of them that when they were quick bolting and then they were doing the final bolts up, some of the bolts were used in the wrong places. They need to be oriented for a different place. We need to have at least 2 to 3 threads sticking out. So basically a 1/4 inch past the nut. So they're gonna be working on that right now, making sure everything's 100%, because once the inspection comes, I wanna pretty much have it ready for inspection just in case the inspector, you know, wants to go ahead and nitpick us. I mean, at least we can have all of our ducks in a row. All right, we made it back from lunch. Took a little 45-minute lunch or so. You guys are gonna continue working. I'm about to go walk to the other side and see how this demo's going. Let's do it. Well, it seems like they're still working over there. You can see a backhoe. Looks like they're taking out the concrete. Let's go check it out. Well, they're still working there. They got all the concrete taken out. Doesn't seem that they've tied in those end bits just yet, but they're working on that, and it looks like they got that awning removed as well, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully they'll be done today. I'm still working on trying to get that rental welder out here. Hopefully I can get that by today as well. I'm talking to a couple of my buddies. If I can't rent one from these rental places because they don't have them available, then see if I can rent one from my buddy. So as of right now, we've got all those little studs cut off, and we're at this one right now. Michael's working the bottom and I jump on top of here and I work the top. All right, so Mosky pretty much has one more vertical brace to weld for today. The other one that he has to weld in that corner, the framers are still working over there. We don't want to be in anybody's way. So looks like Michael has 2 more columns that he has to work on to get all these studs removed, those threaded studs. And I think the small ones, Joshua, are done because they're walking around looking like they're done. So pretty much got everything wrapped up for today. Like I said on yesterday's video, I believe we'll be out here at the sped side of the building for the remainder of the week. Hopefully by Saturday I can have all this decking thrown. That way Monday we can go ahead and head back over there and start hanging iron and then leave somebody over here to work by themselves, welding everything out, you know, doing the final touches. But we'll see what it's like. I still got to do a RTU, but the mechanical guy has to come out here and actually mark out the floor for me. So we'll see how all that plays out in the next couple of days. Other than that, you already know the drill. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. If you're already subscribed, go hit that notification bell, guys. That helps out. Every time we drop either a post, a short, or long content video, I'll be notified right away. Y'all stay blessed, stay grateful, stay safe. Don't look back unless you count yesterday's money. I'm on Sarah PM's, the Ironwork Geared, heavy, still hot rods, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow, guys. Peace.